All right, I thought I'd get on here and show you guys how I remove chrome door pieces off the side of these vehicles that the factory is putting on these things now. One reason you might want to do this is because, as you can see, the finish on this has started peeling off, and it's time to just get rid of them altogether. And in my opinion, the vehicle looks a lot better without them. So, as you look here, this is the trim piece that went here. And to remove the trim piece, I used a infrared heat lamp. And unfortunately, I didn't get any video of that. But you just add the heat to it and gently pry it off the vehicle. It comes off really easy. To remove the adhesive that's left behind, I'm using a rubber wheel from 3M. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Put it on a drill and run it along the adhesive surface, and it'll take it right off of there. So I'll go ahead and set up and show you how to use it. All right. All right, now as you're doing this, you want to be very careful because the wheel itself is generating a lot of heat. So every once in a while, you might want to stop, let the wheel cool down, because you don't want to get your surface really hot. It's okay to get it warm, but you just don't want to get it overly heated. So once we get to this point, I just take some glass cleaner give it a good wipe down. See how much more we have left to take off. So I'll go ahead and hit these few spots one more time. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and polish it out, and it'll look like it was never even on there. Alright, we're going to let that wheel cool down. Alright, to polish this out, what we're going to use, Menzerna 2500 medium cut polish, and a 3D polishing pad. All right. That's pretty much it. I'm going to follow that entire process down this whole side of this truck. And I have a few emblems on the tailgate that I'm going to take off. But that's my process, and that's what I'm going to follow the entire time, the entire way around this thing. Even the same thing as the Ram logo here. Just follow the same process on it.
I came home early Friday night, and I could tell we're gonna fight. I turned around, went to the barn, parked my truck, went inside, a shot of tequila to rest my pride, put the jukebox on, play some steel guitar. My hands are cut, rusty as hell, wear clothes on, everyone can tell I'm doing all I can do. Hey bartender, would you cover for me? Need an hour to set my mind free. If my lady calls, tell her I'll be home soon. I'm a cowboy in the sky. I got a red dog face, burned from the sun and the wind. I'm a cowboy and I can fly. Gonna make it home every single night. Driving pins, beating the dust, climbing steel is a must. Me and the boys are ready to rock and roll. Sweating my eyes, hard hat on, sitting still at the break of dawn. It takes a man, but it takes a toll. I'm a cowboy in the sky. I got a red dog face, burned from the sun and the wind. I'm a cowboy and I can fly. Gonna make it home every single night. Myself a whole lot of fun. Now that my work is done, hold my kids and kiss my wife. I don't care if you think I'm rough, I got family and that's enough. Gonna raise that flag and set it up high. I'm a cowboy in the sky. I got a red dog face, burned from the sun and the wind. Every single night, every single night, every single night. You rolled in, smoking out my summer night, got my mind spinning like some Chevy tires. Tiny waist, lips were laced with cherry wine. I bet you're trouble with that flirty little southern smile. Girl, you said you got a Tennessee wild side. Stick of dynamite blowing my mind by. The way you blow under the bar lights late night, body blazing in a tank top, damn right the flames spread crazy, hit me red hot, baby, burn up last call, throwing round your fireball, just came to chill, but you melt me with the way you move. You shake it crazy, touch push me, tease me, got me high on you. That tiny hip tattoo's got me losing all control. Seen you can rock it, let me show you where the night can roll. I'm kinda begging, all I need is just one taste. What looked like heaven hit me harder than hell's gates.